Oke, bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Waalaikumsalam warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Okay, good evening with me, Miss Dira, and thank you for coming to this class. For today, we will gonna talk about job fairs. So, before we start, we can pray together first. So, pray together. Finish. Before we start, I want to check your attendance first. So if I call your name, please raise your hand and say present. Okay. Jelani Firmansyah.
Present.
Sylvie Mariam. Okay. Now we want to talk about job vacancy. So guys, have you heard about the job vacancy before?
No.
So the job vacancy is lowongan pekerjaan.
Oh, kalau kerjaan saya pernah dengar Bu.
Apa itu lowongan pekerjaan yang kalian tahu?
Ketika satu perusahaan atau satu tempat membutuhkan karyawan atau tenaga kerja, dan perusahaan buka lowongan kerja.
Biasanya sering ditemukan di mana? Where you guys have found it?
Kalau untuk zaman sekarang banyak yang menggunakan aplikasi
Aplikasi, right?
Instagram,
Oke.
media sosial.
Kalau selain media sosial, kalau media yang secara langsung biasanya lewat apa?
Bisa kan?
With paper.
Ya, paper. Langsung datang ke perusahaan bisa.
Okay. And now we can start with the definition first. So the definition is job vacancy is an announcement or information about job position that available and open for applicants. So basically the definition about the job vacancy is an announcement or information about what?
About needs.
Job position that open for applicant. Jadi definisinya adalah lowongan pekerjaan adalah suatu announcement, berita atau informasi tentang suatu posisi pekerjaan yang dibuka untuk para pencari lowongan pekerjaan, right? And there's some function. About the job vacancy. Apa fungsinya? Have you know it? Fungsi dari lowongan pekerjaan.
Ini memenuhi kebutuhan suatu perusahaan tersebut.
The function for the readers.
Make another people knows about
The
needs
the job
Position.
position. And then, how about you, Jelani? What do you know about the function? Fungsinya apa? It's okay in bahasa.
Agar kita tahu di mana perusahaan yang membuka lowongan tersebut.
Good job. So, there's two functions. The first is to inform people about available. To inform people about available second is to attract right? There are two functions. The first is to inform people about available job position and to attract qualified applicants. And there's some generic structure. Jadi di dalam suatu teks lowongan pekerjaan, di suatu teks lowongan pekerjaan itu ada beberapa struktur di dalam teksnya. Teks code, structure. Yang pertama ada job title. What is job title?
Judul.
Judul. Job.
Miss, makanya it is time making some poster.
Different.
Different.
Jadi perbedaannya dengan poster yang biasanya daripada job vacancy adalah biasanya kalau poster yang biasanya dibuat dengan informasi yang beragam. Sedangkan kalau job vacancy itu khusus lowongan pekerjaan. Dan di sini juga beda-beda yang akan disampaikan ini. Ada structure-nya. Ada yang membedakan daripada poster-poster lainnya. Okay? The first is job title. Job title itu selain judul tuh apa? There is posisi atau pekerjaan yang ditawarkan. Posisi atau pekerjaan yang ditawarkan. Contohnya apa? For the position.
Resepsionis.
Receptionist. And then
Chef.
Chef.
Head chef. Okay.
head chef. And then accounting manager. Jadi the job title is posisi pekerjaan yang ditawarkan. Selanjutnya ada so, company information is nama dan informasi dari perusahaannya. Misalnya apa?
Perusahaan Telkom.
PT Telkom misalkan boleh. Apa lagi?
PT Pencari Cinta Sejati.
PT Surya Abadi. So ini termasuk dari informasi dari company-nya. And then number 3 is job description. What is job description?
Tentang deskripsi pekerjaannya.
Pekerjaannya. Contohnya,
Inputting data.
inputting data, and then apa? Scheduling, and then
supervisor. Checking area.
checking area, and then kalau chef apa?
Cooking.
Cooking,
Make a delicious food.
and many more.
Ya.
Yang keempat ada qualification. about something that company needs from us. Jadi yang dibutuhkan oleh company, oleh perusahaan dari kita. Misalkan kedisiplinan kita, kerajinan kita, skill kita, maupun itu yang soft skill, maupun itu yang hard skill. So, what the example for that question?
Sebenarnya ada intermediate skill, English skill.
English skill. Job. What else?
Microsoft Office skills.
Microsoft Office.
Time management.
Public speaking bisa.
Job. And what else?
Public speaking.
Public. Okay. And the last is how to apply. How to apply. Bagaimana kita mendaftarkannya? Kenapa ini penting dan jadi bagian dari structure? Karena untuk kita melamar ke suatu job vacancy, kita harus tahu, kita harus kirim kemana? Alamat. Biasanya ini berbentuk alamat atau
Email.
Email or phone number. Or
Website.
Visit to the company.
Address.
So I will give, for now, I will give you some video. You can scan this barcode and you can watch it first. And then I will give you the exercise that I will send to you on the group chat. So make sure you did the work, right?
Good morning. I wanted to ask if you have any part-time job vacancies available.
Good morning. Yes, we do have some openings. What kind of work are you looking for?
I'm interested in working as a cashier or maybe helping with stocking shelves.
We have a part-time cashier position and also one for restocking shelves. Which one would you prefer?
I think cashier would be better for me. I have some experience working with customers.
That's good. Do you have a resume with you?
Yes, I have it here. Would you like me to hand it to you now?
Yes, please. I'll take a look at it now.
Here it is. I worked at a small grocery store before for almost a year.
I see you also handled cash and used a POS system that's helpful for this role.
Yes, I'm familiar with using cash registers and card machines. I can also handle basic stock checking.
This role is for 20 hours a week, mostly in the afternoons and evenings. Are you okay with that?
Yes, that schedule works for me. I'm available every afternoon and evening.
The hourly rate is minimum wage with a slight increase after 3 months of work. Is that acceptable?
Yes, that's fine. I'm mainly looking for regular hours and a steady role.
Do you have any restrictions on which days you can work?
I prefer not to work Sundays, but I'm flexible on the other days.
We can arrange that most shifts will be weekdays and Saturdays.
Okay, that would be good for me.
We require staff to wear a simple uniform. We provide it here. Would that be all right?
Yes, no problem. I can wear the uniform.
Training will take 2 days. Can you start this week if we decide to hire you?
Yes, I can start as early as Thursday.
All right, we will review your resume and call you tomorrow for a short interview if you're shortlisted.
Thank you very much. I'll wait for your call.
You're welcome. Do you have any questions about the role or the store?
Do you offer any staff discounts for employees?
Yes, there is a 10% discount on all store items for part-time staff.
Okay, that's good to know. Thank you for answering my questions.
You're welcome. Have a good day. We will contact you soon.
Thank you. Have a good day too.
And I want to ask you guys, what do you study for today? What have we talked for today?
We talk about job vacancy, how we make some poster for job vacancy.
Okay.
And we must know about the structure of the job vacancy.
Okay. How about you? What are you learning for today?
Actually, I just learned about the job vacancy. terutama untuk the function to reform and then to attract qualified applicants. And then we know about the structure of the job vacancy that we should make the structure.
Okay, good job. So, thank you for today's class. Thank you for coming to my class. See you next week. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.